Hello, this is Creating Cards with Sherry, and I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for my Simple Sunday video. Today I've chosen to introduce you to our first paper pumpkin for the year, and this is January's paper pumpkin, getting ready for Valentine's. It's called Key to My Heart. And there are 3 different designs, 3 cards of each design, and we're just going to go ahead and have some fun. Now, as you've heard me say before, each kit comes with a instruction booklet, or if you want to call it booklet, it's not really a booklet, but there's one page that will show you all the different pieces that you need to put that card together, and then the other one and this third one. And so what I did is I took them all out and I put them together, and so they are all ready to go, and we can just go right ahead and make the card. All right, I have not made a set of these, so we will learn this together, I guess. The stamp that we're using is our Fresh Freesia. I can't talk today. My goodness. Fresh Freesia, and then it came with a set of stamps, of course, and your own adhesives of the Stampin' Dimensionals and mini dots. All right, let's get going. We're going to do this one first. And as always, I am going to stamp first and then we'll stick it together. So we are going to print, let's see, I've got them all out. To My Valentine. We're going to stamp that down first. All right. And then the other stamping is the cute little hearts. And they want one in each of the corners. Not all 4 corners, but the 2. All right, and that looks like that's all the stamping that has to be done for that one. Okay, next we're going to put glue dots on the back of this, which it tells me to do. It tells you exactly, step by step, what to do. It tells you to stamp, and then it tells you to put dots on these items. All right, so we're going to put the 4 dots on this piece. And they require this clear piece as well, and so I'm going to put, shows 2 dots in the middle. It's not really a clear piece, it's kind of frosty, but anyway, then I think that's it for the dots. So we're going to start by putting those on our card. I trust you all are doing well. We've gotten snow just about every day this week. And I think we were supposed to have a total of 6 inches or so from yesterday. I haven't even paid much attention. Let's see, then we've got this one. And I'm going to put that down right below it. Yep, that's good. Then it asks for 15 inches of the twine. So I cut that up. And it looks like we're just going to kind of wrap it so that I've got 2 loops on both ends. And we're going to take a dot and we're going to hold this right in place with that dot. All right, then we have these pieces here, and they all take the Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm just going to put those together real quick. Got one here. Looks like they all take 2 dimensionals. All right, we're going to take these 2 because they're on the end, and I'm just going to kind of tilt them off to the sides. And then we're going to take the heart and put that right in the middle. And then we're going to put our message on that says, "To my Valentine." And there you have it. Isn't that a cute little card? All right, let's go to the second card. This one has an interesting design on the top of it. It looks like there's some ink that's been blown off to the side, and then they put a special design on top of it. Pretty unique. All right. Again, we're going to start by stamping. I'll get my Fresh Freesia out, and it looks like we're going to put "Love is the Key" on this one. And it too requires some hearts right there and right there. Okay. Next, it's asking me to take this frosted circle and to put some mini dots on it. And there should be one done right here. And another one about right there. And then we're going to take the paper, flip it over, and we're going to put it right down here. I just want to look at this real quick. Okay, I'm going to make sure that my dots are over this way because the other pieces that we're putting on will cover that up and you won't see the dots through it. All right, if that makes any sense to you. Then I'm going to take these 2 and put some dimensionals on them. We're going to put our heart one right there and the circle one right there. Then we're going to add some more dimensionals to our sentiment. Then it requires a 6-inch piece of twine, and we are going to make a, oh, no, I guess that one goes, it just swings from side to side too. Like this. It's just more, the bow is more, or the loops are bigger and more obvious. And let's see. I'm going to put the mini dot on that. And the key also gets some mini dots. And we put those right smack in the middle. With the ribbon on top. Actually, let me see how they did that, because yep, just like that. And there's your second card. Okay, then we'll get to the third one. We'll get through this and so that you can see all of them. This had a punch-out keyhole, which gave a different, and that's why you see this little spot here, because it gives it the other color. All right. Let's see, we're going to start by stamping, and this time we're going to stamp the saying, "You hold the key to my heart." Perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to take, I have this frosted little banner thing, and I'm going to put some glue dots on it. And that actually goes down here on the card. The sentiment gets the dimensionals. And that lays right across that little banner. So you have that. All right, and then with our key, again, it gets some mini dots. So we're going to put one there and one there. And that's going to go right in the center of this cutout area. It also asked for a 6-inch twine, and we are going to make a bow out of this one. When it's only 6 inches like this, I don't do very well. I don't know why, but it's more difficult for me to maneuver this twine. And I'm going to lose this because I'm pulling on it and I'm not getting, no. See, I knew it. Okay. Okay. Now I just have to find that end that's practically gone and pull it through if I can. I see it and I can grab it, but I don't know. Oh, there we go. I think I got it there. I don't know if I got all of it though, because it's... All right, I'm going to get some more twine because that one got all messed up. Try again. That one was easier to work with. Okay. And then I'm going to take a mini dot for that one. And we take that and we put that right up there in the center of that key. And then I'm going to shorten this end a little bit so that it's a little more evened out. And there we go. That's the third card. So that's what our January paper pumpkin is all about, the key to my heart. And very cute designs that you can create and hand out to your family and friends. If you're interested in purchasing this, you can go to my shop. In the menu, you'll hit, I think it's all products or something like that, and it'll come down to kits, and it'll say specifically Paper Pumpkin Kit. And you click on that, and it will get you started in receiving the monthly kits that we get. All right, I hope you enjoyed just looking at these and seeing how it works. It's so simple, and they're a lot of fun. You never know what you're going to get from month to month. Sometimes it's cards, sometimes it's packaging. Most of the time it's cards, but every once in a while you get something else that they are offering. And so it's just a lot of fun. And you can go to my shop, creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net, to get yourself started with a paper pumpkin kit. And thanks for watching. You have a fantastic day. Bye.